In this video, we will show you how to replace the side shells of the M6 series routers. First, gently detach the left side panel starting from the top of the device. Using an M2.6 Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws from the M6 router as the video shows. Next, we need to install the right side panel first. And then screw in all the screws. Now, we could start to install the other side of the panel as the video shows. For more information, please visit our website, www.mercku.com.